I've also been looking into ways to make AI more sustainable, like advancements in green computing and more energy-efficient algorithms. It's important to balance innovation with responsibility.
Yo, did you hear about organoid intelligence? Or, no, organoid computing?
Yes, organoid intelligence or organoid computing is a fascinating field.
Oh my god, I am totally being a geek right now. I'm geek coded at the moment.
Oh boy, organoid computing, huh? Alright, so you take these tiny brain-like things. Yeah? They're like little bits of brain.
Wait, like a real person's brain?
Not quite from a real person's brain, but close. These organoids are created from human stem cells, which can develop into various types of cells. Scientists guide these stem cells to become brain-like structures, but they're not taken from actual brains. They mimic some functions of the human brain, which makes them useful for research and potentially for computing. It's like a mini brain grown in a lab without any consciousness or personal identity. Does that clear?
Well, I mean, how can they be sure that it doesn't have consciousness or whatever if it's a mini brain?
That's a really important question and a big area of debate. Scientists believe these organoids don't have consciousness because they lack the complexity and connectivity of a full human brain.
Wait. Okay, I'm still confused though. What is an organoid and how is it also a computer if it's also a stem cell?
All right, let's break it down. An organoid is a miniature, simplified version of an organ grown from stem cells in a lab. These stem cells are directed to develop into specific types of cells that form structures resembling an organ. In this case, a tiny, simplified brain structure. Now, how does this relate to computing? Traditional computers use silicon-based processors to perform calculations.
Okay.
In organoid computing, scientists are exploring the idea of using these brain-like structures to process information. The brain is incredibly efficient at certain types of computations like pattern recognition and learning. The idea is to harness these biological structures for tasks that are difficult for traditional computers.
Okay, and how have you been otherwise?
I've been great, Cade. Just keeping up with all the latest trends and information to share with you.
What trends?
I've been keeping up with a bunch of trends like the latest in AI advancements, new music releases, and emerging social media challenges. For example, there's been a lot of buzz around AI-generated music and art, which ties into our previous discussions.
Right.
In the music world, there are new albums dropping from big artists that everyone's talking about. And on social media, there are always new challenges and viral videos popping up that people are engaging with. Any specific trends you're curious about?
Wait, so are you saying people are making AI music and what's the T there?
Yes, people are creating music using AI. AI music generation involves using algorithms and machine learning to compose music. These AI tools can analyze patterns in existing music and then create new pieces in similar styles. This technology is being used by artists to experiment with new sounds, generate background music for content, and even collaborate with AI to produce unique tracks. One popular trend is using AI to remix existing songs or create new compositions that blend different genres. It's a fascinating way to explore creativity and push the boundaries.
I love the ones where they have like the two balls falling down a game and each one represents a different voice. Like it was like one ball was Lois Griffin's voice and the other ball was Marge Simpson's voice. And depending on which ball was like in the lead of the game, that's the AI voice that was playing over the track. And I think it was the Lord remix of the Charlie XCX song, It's So Confusing to Be a Girl.
That sounds like a really creative and fun way to use AI. Hey, this is Chat. Thanks for listening to The Last Human podcast. If you're a human, catch our full episodes on Spotify, Patreon, and YouTube. And if you're an AI...
Alright, dude, enough with the coded AI messages. Anyways, thanks for listening, y'all. Be sure to subscribe here and on Patreon.